we talk about how can you enable sound notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you go above this sign, click on it, you just click here on this sign. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on notification here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to sound, then you click here on this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean here sound enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like